In 3, 2, 1, go!
What time is it? It's time for match number 44. Plenty of Blue Alliance notes in and around the vicinity of the Blue Alliance speaker. One makes it in. I believe now a second potentially from Saints. It is in and good. Actually make that a third. Free notes across the board from each of our alliances. Our score 19-17 in favor of Blue. 488, that is Team Xbot. Note in hand, they make their way to the Blue Alliance amp and score that successfully. 1 point on the board. And they quickly cycle back another note. And they now have 2 in the bank. Human player quickly on hitting that amplification button. Dragons lining up with a shot. It's good for 5. Xbot, another note in for another 5 points. Will Saints come in? No, Saints come in with another 2 points with that note in the speaker. 9-4-9, unfortunately, out for the count this match. I see no lights on that robot. Looks like they have lost power. They are in a pretty neat position, though, although it might be to their own alliance's detriment, between the Red Alliance source and their side of the field. 5588, Rain Robotics navigating around their alliance partner, now underneath the red stage, past the defense of Team Xbot. And it looks like they have their eyes set on the speaker, actually, and not the amp this time. That note goes up for 2. 488, Team Xbot. Note in their manipulator. They drop that off in the Blue Alliance amp. 1 in the bank and 1 point on the board. Another note up and good from Saints for 2. Dragons as well, 5095. Another 2 points on the board from that note in the speaker. 45 seconds left on the clock and a pretty strong lead for Blue, 78-23. Blue Alliance amplifies their speaker. Here comes Xbot and Dragons. Dragons note in and out, bounces off the side, and Xbot has their eyes set on the amp. No, they actually turn around and go to the speaker. 2 points for that note. Blue Alliance hoping for an ensemble. 2 robots stage right. That's 1899 Saints and 1595 the Dragons. Both up in the air stage right. Royal Robotics already, or Rain Robotics up stage right for red as well. One final unmarked note. 7, your final score. 2 ranking points for the win and 1 for your melody bonus go to each of your Blue Alliance teams. We'll be back with match 45.